Hey guys, thanks for checking out my video and giving me a little bit of your time. My name's Daniel Putman and I'm the Healing Ministers Pastor here at the Vineyard Church. I just wanted to start producing videos actually. I don't know if some of you guys might have remembered, I used to create just emails called Ministry Messengers, which were very, very long. But it was just, all of it kind of had the same goal and purpose. It was just to kind of connect with you guys on the ministry team. Now, I know a lot of you, but I know there's also a really big team out there, and I appreciate everything that you guys are doing. I just like to be a little bit more connected with you. Also, it's praying for people on the ministry line, but it's not just that. There's a lot that goes up there if you really think about it. I mean, we're a little bit of a welcome team in the fact that we might be some of the first people that people actually interact with here at the church if they're a newcomer. We're a little bit of a pastoral team in the fact that, it can get kind of emotional up there with certain people. We can be kind of encouragers and stuff like that. There's a lot to the job, let's just be real. So I just wanted to be able to just connect with you guys on a regular basis, not to correct or condemn I mean, we're doing a great job. It's just to kind of give helpful reminders and even encouragements. One of the goals that I have for the year for the ministry team is we've always kind of been like isolated individuals. We all come up, but there's not a lot of connection between all of us. So I really wanted to try to remedy that. And one of the things that I'm working on doing is actually creating ministry team rallies. And what that's going to be is after second service, after ministry time, we're all going to have lunch together. We're just going to have a nice meal. We'll share some direction, do some ministering to ourselves. I'll try to I'm going to give away some cool stuff, just some cool resources and just encouraging stuff. I really want to try to just unite us all, just to really kind of make us a team, something that's really real, not just kind of a bunch of people together. So just in closing, thank you guys so much for all your work. Thank you for all your energy. Thank you for just pouring out service after service. I know I'm speaking to people who've been praying for people probably for years, longer than I've probably been going to the church. And I just want to thank each and every one of you for the time. I mean, let's be real. Sometimes it's kind of hard. Sometimes it's difficult. We face situations. We don't know how to pray for people, or it gets a little emotional and all that. So I just want to thank each person for their time, their energy. I'll probably be producing videos pretty regularly, so thanks for giving me your time, and I will try to keep them pretty short because I know we're all busy. So thanks again.